Apple is likely to discontinue these 5 products October 2024. Apple is likely to host their next keynote in October with a focus on the iPad and Mac. There are some Apple products you probably won't be able to buy from the Apple Store after the event rumored to take place in October. M3 MacBook Pros. Apple is anticipated to reveal new 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pros next month with M4, M4 Pro, and M4 Max chips. Other than the chip updates, the new MacBook Pro would be mostly the same. Moreover, no new design changes are reported, although it's expected that the base model MacBook Pro will start with 16GB of RAM. M2 Mac Mini. Apple is set to reveal the largest redesign of the Mac Mini in 14 years with a much smaller design, ports on the front, and more. Earlier, Apple last updated the Mac Mini in January 2023 with M2 and M2 Pro chips. The last update integrated the first Mac Mini with a Pro chip, M3 iMac. In addition, users are expecting a new refresh to the iMac next month, bumping up from the M3 chip to the M4 chip. Moreover, it's expected to be a light refresh. iPad Mini 6. Apple is reported to update the iPad Mini, marking the first refresh in 3 years. Users are expected to receive a new chip that supports Apple Intelligence, likely the A18. Apple Pencil Pro support, a new display that fixes jelly scrolling, and 128GB of storage on the base model are also likely. iPad 10. There's some conflicting speculations on whether or not users will be getting a new base model iPad next month. According to Ross Young, panels for the base model iPad will start shipping this month, indicating a spring release.